What up with y'all? Back again for another video. Y'all wanna know what I got? Peak game.
Look at my wheels. L-O-N-G, baby, nigga, y'all know what's up. Smiling at these haters like, look at my grill. No, give me a new beat. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut me a new wheel. I'm gonna cut me a new fit. I had it out with that old shit. Now it's time for me some new shit.
No, I can't scrap out that hoe, no, I'm just gon' give me a new bitch. No, I can't scrap out that shit, I just waste on my shirt, I'ma cop me a new fit. No, I can't scrap cause that car broke down, I'm just gon' go cop me a new whip. I had it out with that old shit, now it's time for me some new shit. No, I can't scrap out that hoe, no, I'm just gon' give me a new bitch. No, I can't scrap out that shit, I just waste on my shirt, I'ma cop me a new fit. No, I can't scrap out the car broke down, I'm just gon' go cop me a new whip. I had it out with that old shit, now it's time for me some new shit.
Alright, y'all, so yeah, call me Cat-Eye Kenny. You feel me? Yeah, that big blue thing back there. You feel me? Yeah. Let me tell y'all a little bit about it. This here, 15 Honda HD 03, 60, 410, 4L80 in it. Body on it way better than square body. You know what I mean? Body way better than that square body. See what I'm talking about? 8 lug, yeah. You know what I'm talking about? Got a little dents or whatever, them little hail damage, but that really ain't nothing. I can get to do hood. You know what I'm talking about? The body way better than the square. Body way better than the square. What y'all think? I don't know about that new, I think I'm gonna take that out, but yeah, except for this part right here. This part here a little crinkled up, but yeah, you seen it. Got photos. I got the cloth interior. I prefer to have leather, but got the cloth interior. Photos. It's really pretty clean in here. Ain't no rips or nothing like that in the seats. You know what I'm talking about? I ain't even gave it a once over yet, a little proper cleaning or whatever, right? You know what I'm talking about? But today's mission, go on to the tag place, get the title switched over, give me a tag for it. Get my insurance switched over for it and start having y'all come along with the process. Yeah, got that 6.0 in there, Vortex. Yeah, you see, you feel me? You feel me? Yeah. What y'all think? Leave them comments. Get this video a like right now if you're excited for the cat-eye build. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna keep it a band with y'all. Y'all probably like, well, what's wrong with it? Etc. So what's wrong with it mainly is it's got lifter tick and it's gonna need a rear main seal. So, but with it having all them high miles on it, I knew what I was getting into. I'm gonna have it rebuilt anyway. So, other than that, I believe everything else worked the way it should. AC work, all that good stuff. Alright, let's see what I do. Alright, let's see what I do. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's see about this one. Alright, back from the tag and the insurance place. Everything good, everything gravy. Now I'm finna take this mug up here to Harbor Freight real quick and get me a grinder, my toolbox stud shut, and later on I'm finna go get my tips off my old truck. So yeah.